Good day all. This week DXY Technical Analysis. Yeah, this week this is 4-hour time frame. Okay. So this week we are expecting initially it will go a little bit up, then it will come down. Maybe I can take one Fibonacci from here to here. You can see. Yeah, maybe it won't go there up to there. You'll see from here. Maybe it can go there a little bit. It will come down. It will form like yeah, like this. So initially scalping is upside is better. So once you reach slowly there, then you can look for a sale setup DXY. Thank you.